Welcome to Need Tech. We are your local IT department simplified. We have over 25 years of expertise managing and implementing IT solutions for small businesses such as medical and dental practices. One of the solutions we offer is IT infrastructure planning and build-outs for medical and dental offices. We will work with your architect and/or general contractor on pre-construction planning and ensure that your dream office becomes a reality for this project. We built a brand new dermatology office with 9 patient rooms, staff offices, a lab, reception areas, and a staff break room. Need. Tech was involved with the initial planning and final execution of all IT-related infrastructure. We did structured cabling, Wi-Fi installation, sound system configuration, phone system, security cameras, desktop and server setup, and secure door access systems. Once a new office opens, we provide continued managed IT and cybersecurity services to keep IT systems running efficiently. We can even offer some health insurance, Portability and Accountability Act compliance. Stop worrying about the IT for your medical or dental practice and let Need Tech handle it all. Contact us today at 718-412-9196.